Quick update, we're on level 2 evacuation today. I went and took the 5th wheel down and we spent the night in there because I didn't know how the fire was going to progress. We're moving Jeremy's trailer today, and that way we at least have 2 places the family can stay, and then if this burns we actually have a couple places we can live in when we come back and rebuild. So that's the contingency plan right now, level 2 evacuation, and I just come to set sprinklers out, move them around, get some more soaking done. Okay, it's on Hull Mountain, H-U-L-L.
I don't have any lights on that side of the house.
I don't want light.
Oh, well, okay.
The wind has picked up.
Okay.
We don't know which way the fire's blowing. But the fire has spread and it's now going north, which is a good thing, away from us and away from the population. And it has spread up and it's going up Sprignet Butte.